Students often ask me about where they can get data, and although there are a variety of sites to get data from, the U.S. Census site is one of the easiest to download from and also has some of the largest repositories of ready-to-use statistical data. It's very easy to use the Census site. You would start by just going to www.census.gov, and this is the page, and you can see all kinds of products that they have. The ones we're interested are under the Data tab, Data Tools and Apps, and we're interested in something called the American Fact Finder. And the American Fact Finder has a couple ways to get data. I'm going to take you right into the advanced search.
Don't wait for Kathy to get out.
And click Show Me All. And there are a whole range of topics that are available. I've just done that before, so let me clear all those and we can start again. So in terms of starting a search, you look under Topics. And I'm going to be interested in housing, but you can be interested in any of these. And I'm going to be interested in the financial characteristic of the housing. So things like the value of the home, and you can see that's added to the search. And the physical characteristic, I'm also interested in when these homes were built. And then I can close this. It asks me how I want to break this up into different geographies. And when we talk about different geographies, the Census Bureau breaks these up into states, which you might expect, but also counties and smaller units than counties, such as census tracts and block groups. Block groups are very small geographic areas. You can begin to do neighborhood level analysis if you're interested, so block groups become an important statistical tool if you're looking at small levels of geography. And then you can look at school districts, you can look at congressional districts. There are other metropolitan statistical areas if you're trying to compare one urban area to another. There are a whole range of spaces that you can look at. I'm going to choose the county, so we've looked at county data before, and I'm going to take all the counties in the U.S. I'm going to add that to my selection. Close this. And we have a whole range of variables. I just want the variables from 2014. And I'm going to have these selected housing characteristics and the 5-year ACS estimates, American Community Survey estimates. And once that's selected, I can click Download. It'll take a second for it to form the download to extract the data. As you can see, it gives you progress. You download the data. I'll save it to my desktop. And no surprise when you go into the folder, when you go into the zip file, that the data, that the file that's actually the largest is the one that you want. The metadata describes the data variables, so if you're interested in what the data actually means, look in the metadata. If we open this, we'll open another window, so I'll move this up. Here's your data by county. And you can begin to do your statistical analysis on any data variable that you want. Please note that you can download a small amount of data, but if you just get the general characteristics, you can see that you actually have a very large set of data. And each one of these variables has a cryptic name, but it also has a more descriptive name as well, so you can begin to understand what the data is about. That's how you download data from the census. It's very simple and very easy.